Okay, today we're going to compare the Maverick 88 to the 680. They're both mossberg. Maverick 88 has a crossbow safety. The mossberg one is like 500 at the top safety. Okay. Maverick 88. And here on mossberg 680. They're both 12 gauge. They both will take the same barrels. Okay, synthetic pump without a wooden pump. The wooden one comes off with this nut. The synthetic one that comes off, the whole thing comes off. This wood comes off. This doesn't come off the 600. Okay, the stocks are here. Bolts. Okay, we're going to disassemble these and compare. They both will take the same stock. It will take stocks, same stocks and all that stuff. Okay, let me get my camera set up here. Okay, first one we're going to do that. What I'm going to do is this 88. Hold up. Freaking understand. Damn thing lock in. You know that. It won't lock it. There we go. Something locked in. Okay, we're gonna take out the Maverick 88. Okay. First thing first. Well, you want to take the stock off, and they took both stocks off. One's a pistol grip, one is a stock. You figure out one which. Okay, first thing first, we're gonna take out this pin right here. Pinch it. Good. the door and just go pop it out. Boom. Pin out. Next thing, the trigger. Might look a little greasy and oily, but that's what I do with the guns. I'm firing. Ah, there it goes. For safety. Nothing. Boom. Put that down. Then, okay, let's look at this. We have a cartridge interrupter. Goes right about here. Goes with this hole. This thing you can see right here. And where this part goes. We're gonna put this right about here. We have a, I think the cartridge stop. Hold on. Around here. Right there. Cartridge stop. Cartridge interrupter, cartridge stop, or cartridge stop, interrupter. I know it's one of these two. Look at this one. There's no thing notch thing. Next thing is the big flower. There it is. That goes, it's gotta be the front. Boom. The bolt got a spring right there. It comes up, down. Yeah. This goes back here. This one is over here. Just squeeze it. Boom. There you go. This should ride around here. And that's it right there. So greasy. We got the cartridge injector right here. There's a screw right there to take that out, but we're not going to take that out. It's a little greasy, actually more oily than anything, but you know, I keep them well lubricated, oiled. Okay, that's the Maverick 88. Got the parts of these things. Okay, don't put both shoes. Okay, now the mossberg 600. They're both. You're wondering, they're both mossberg. Same way, you take this pin out. Same shape and diameter of the other pin. Not really, they got one got a bigger hole than the other. Down here you can see. Same trigger assembly, but a little bit different. See, got this hook up here for the safety. Lift it up. Hold that down. Boom. Corresponds to in here. Safety right here. That moves up and down. You know, blocking this pin, not that pin. Put it on the other one. A little bit different. If you look carefully over here, almost the same right here. You can see. Stop. I forget. Same one as the other one. If you look at this is the Mossberg 600, Mossberg Mary 88. If you look at them side by side, the 600's got this little thing right here, while the 88 doesn't. Yeah, a little more rounded on the 600. 88 is more drop. This is more rounded. You can see that. This is the 600. That one right there. Right here. 88 right there. Next one is the carpet stuff and rough cut for the 600. If you look at the 88 and the 600, not too much difference except for up here where the more dented, more inward than this is flat, than this one's like. You can see that a little bit better. I don't know why they did that with the 88. 600 and 600. Let's see. Let's try the. That's right here. There we go. 600. the map 88. More polished on the 600 than the 88. The 88 was a budget one. The 88 still got some machine mark. You can see the 600 more polished, but they're interchangeable. You can put one in the other. So, pretty good. Let's just take out the bolt, the 600. 600, if you look, 600 doesn't, same bolt, 600 doesn't have this spring that the 80 has in it. The 600 little that's the 600 right there. See, right here you can see the 88 has a little more, like, I don't know, up than the 600. You can see that. A little more curvy. You can see that. More outward than the 88. 600 is like, okay. The 600, this thing, the slide doesn't come out. 88, boom, comes out. Assemble it, yeah. Put that back in. Right there. That back in. Bolt back in. The front. Actually, first you gotta have the. What are you thinking? You gotta put this one. You gotta put the. Back in first. The follow thing. Back in first. Then the bolt. Like a nice and lubricated. Push it back. Boom. Put the thing back. The way I like to do it is get this forward. Forward. Make sure this is towards just the thing. Thing. What I like to do is keep in the middle. let it go in. I feel like to be one with the pin in first, with the caution eruptor or a follow. I don't know which one it was, but copper stuff or eruptor. There we go. That's it. The other side is pretty much the same. Little hooky end goes down here. To go in, pin, follow the hole, put it in, boom. Everything works. With the Maverick 88 out of 500. Same way. Ishes. They say ishes because I do have a little problem with this one. Okay, you can't put this in without pushing it on fire. You won't have enough room. Gotta have this up to have enough room. If you have it on safe, this won't go in. After that, it's just like the 88 ish. Here we go. You might see me have a little problem right after this one. So this one I like to put this side, the one without the little whole thing out first. Why? Just to say, I had a tough time with this. Try to do the same thing. Try to do the procedure like I used to do with the 88. No luck. Because this thing doesn't have a spring and doesn't want to go down. There we go. The other side. And foot. The side goes inward. This other thing down. Should go in. There we go. Just put the pin in. There we go. There we go. The mossberg 600 AT and the Maverick 88. Assembly, disassembly, differences, similarities. I was thinking about doing the 88, 600, and 500 in the other mossberg family, but we have these two. So, if you have any comments, I won't answer them. If you have any questions, I won't answer them. If you have any suggestions, I will not take them. If you have anything to say, I will just ignore them. Because in most life, your opinion is questionable.